Hey guys, what's up? Me, Donnie, and Hog Simpson. We're back at it again today, guys. It's like Sunday, I don't know what the day is. I think it's 12th. But yeah, we're back down at the river, guys. I got some catfish bait. Just went through setting the old cast net a little bit and didn't do very good, guys. The old minnows are getting wise to me, but there was a bunch of them down there and the water's super clear, so every time I threw, they scatter like roaches. But yeah, I managed to get a few, then went out to the old pond there in Latham and got me a couple bluegill and also got me a crappie, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna use this crappie for catfish bait, I think. But yeah, other than that, guys, I got some swim baits I'm gonna throw and see if we get some stripers down here, and let's go see what we can get, guys. I don't plan on staying past dark, so it's about 1 o'clock, so we got about 4 or 5 hours to get her done, and let's go see what we can get on, guys. See you down there on the water. If you guys like this content, like always, hit that like and subscribe, and appreciate all you watching. Really do. It's getting cold and it's gonna get harder and harder to catch these fish, but I'm gonna keep on stomping it out, guys, for you guys. So let's see what we can get on today. See you guys down there later. Looks pretty fishy. I'm gonna throw a swimmer down through here. I'm gonna catfish a little bit of this out here real quick, and I'll end up slipping down this other side over here, fish that. Yeah, we'll start here and see what we get, guys. See what we get. Just talked to a guy up on the bridge. It's actually from Latham, my hometown. He was just down here. Said he got on some stripers while he was down here, so let's see if we can get on some too, guys. Maybe it's catfish. Big old flatty. Did catch this nice crappie. I'm gonna chop his head off. So feed him to a flathead. Yeah. There we go, guys. First bait's 2 head pieces going out for the cat daddies. More stripers. Stripers like cut bait too, so see if they want to eat some cut bait today. They were all about it last week. Well, we shall see. Flip this one over here on this side. That log. Yeah. Right out there, right out yonder, guys. Try that. Put that crappie over here on the other side. Oh yeah. That's a meal for a big old flatty there, guys. That is a meal for a big old flatty. Yes, indeedy. Little crappie head. Gulp it up. Yes, sirree, Bob, they will. We'll gulp it up. Bomb us down their ways. Oh, no. Want it over there. Not where I wanted it. This looks super shallow out there. Keep it right in line with me here. Straight up by this log if I can. There we go. That's more like it. Ain't very deep. Not very deep at all, guys. I got the catfish poles out. Let them sit. Soak. Start throwing some swim baits, guys. I got the old whale. I got this. Got another jig I tied up for the little smaller whale, but we'll start off with the big one. If need be, we'll downsize. Sorry for this guy though. Oh, look at this, guys. There's a bite on that bluegill head already. Oh, got him. Got him. What we got, guys? What do we got? Fish already. Striper? Yeah, look at this, guys. Striper already on the old cut bait. Yeah, wow. Imagine that. I ain't even got my phone out, took a picture for Facebook or anything yet. I already got one. Yeah. What's on my mind? Photo. Camera. Alright, guys. We'll try to make it quick. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. Stripey number 1. That didn't take long. Good little dude, but he smashed that bluegill head, that's for sure. Ooh, come here, buddy. Come here. Ow. Stabbing me. Don't you be stabbing me. I'll show you the camera. We'll let you go. Alright, guys. First little stripey of the day. Turning back loose. Alright, buddy. There you go. You're off. I didn't get to throw my swimmy yet. Alright. Now, let's get this back out there. Rebaited. Rehooked anyway. You ripped the crap out of that. Yeah, I gotta hook him through the eyes now or something. Yeah, try that. There we go. Alright, guys. That was fast action. That was some fast action. Sun's in my eyes too, it sucks. What do you do about it? Oh, what do you do? What do you do? Yeah, striper man, he nailed that thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna restart this clip real quick. I'll be right back. See what we can get with the swimmer. See what's out there, what wants to bite the old swimmer. Oh, swimmy, swimmy. You gotta get smoked. Just smacked. Schwacked, guys. Schwacked, I'm telling you. Wish the sun wasn't beating down in my eyes, though. Oh, there's one, guys. There's one. First cast with the swimmer. Yes. It's gonna be a fun day, guys. I'm telling you right now. These old boys are stacked up in here like this. Yes, sirree, Bob. It's gonna be a fun day. It'll be a fun day. I'm telling you. Alright. Alright. Enough advertising. Let's get this guy back in. We can get his big brother, his big sister. There's mommy and daddy. Yeah, another striper, guys. You guys see those good? Here, I'll turn around, get the sun out of your eyes. But yeah, another nice little stripey, guys. They're littler than the ones I was catching the other day, but yeah, slammed that freaking swim bait. Straight freaking smoked it. All right, guys, get back out there. Throw another cast, see what we get. I like that fast action. He straight smoked that guy. Straight smoked that swimmer. Didn't get one that cast. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun, gonna be fun. River stripers. Where you at, little stripy buds? Huh? Where you at? There's one, guys. There's another one. Oh yeah. Yes, indeedy. This one's a little bigger, I think. He's giving me a tote. He's running upstream now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here, you. Oh yeah. That's a bigger one. That's a much bigger one. Yeah, guys. They're getting bigger. Look at this one here. He's just towed. He is an absolute toad. Yeah, that's about the size I was catching the other night. Get my swimmer back here, buddy. Got you destroying it. Yeah, look at that. You think he wasn't hungry, guys? He straight swallowed that old whale. Yeah, that's good bait, guys. Alright, number 3, guys. Number 3. Been down here maybe 5-10 minutes. Yep. Oh yeah. They're getting bigger though. That's a good thing. Getting bigger, guys, getting bigger. Get the release on this guy. There he goes. Off to his home. See if we can get a bigger one. What the hell's going on here? Oh. My bait was stuck to the bottom of my boat, guys. Yep. Alright. The old whale strikes again. There's 2 in a row. 2 in a row, guys. 2 in a row. Annihilating that bait, boy. Bet they'd nail that little 3-inch one better even. Maybe, I don't know. They might. I got the 3-inch whale and I got the 4-inch whale. I only got 1 or 2 more of the 4-inch ones. I got this one that's on here and I got 1 more in my bag. But I got some Z-Man 4-inch ones if need be. Yeah. 3 stripers. 3 stripers, pretty quick, guys, pretty quick. I like it. Fast action. This bait, man, you can work it so slow too. It just kicks so hard. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, guys. Try a different angle on the dangle, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah. On the backside of that log there. That's perfect cast, guys, right in front of that log. Alright. I'm gonna dip over here real quick, try a spot. Let's take a walk over here, guys. Nice and shallow. Walk right across. Those damn leaves make it slippery though. Leaves make it a little slippery. Try right here in front of this log first. Move on the back side of it and try it. Gotta keep an eye on my catfish rods too so they don't get ripped in at the same time. So see how this goes, guys. Bet there's some over here too. I bet y'all's timber. Logs and shit here, yeah. Try them a couple casts, and we'll go on downstream a little bit and come back up here before it gets dark. Or right before I leave, come back up here, give them one last go around. Try to bait well a few times though, see what he does. I've not fished him yet, I just got him. Got it on an Axel jig head from 6th Sense. Got a bite on that crappie head. Yeah. Come on, bassies. Better move, guys. Better move. Start working way downstream. Might have a bite on that bluegill head right now. Something actually is taking off with it or something. It's acting funny. Acting a little bit funny. One more cast for this guy. And we're gonna move, guys. And then we'll move. I know I got my little spot here to come to now. Get stripers in the mornings. Beat the crowds down here anyway. Oh man, guys, I missed one right there. Damn it. Maybe I won't move yet. He was on the outside edge of that current. Try that again. Step out here a little bit. Alright guys, we're moving on down the river. Alright, I'll be back, guys. We'll move. Number 3, just below where we started at over there. Different little hole here. A bunch of rocks that go across here. Big boulders. Kind of drops off into a deep hole right here. All the way down through here is like a channel. There's a bite on that big old crappie head. Wow. Who would imagine that? Wonder what's hitting that big dog. It's a big bait, guys. That's a big bait. Something to take off with. Man, eat it, big boy. Eat it, eat it, eat it if you want it. Man, way up in the rocks over there. We got this. Yeah, here goes a crappie head. Holy crap, what is this? I wonder. I got it, whatever it is, guys. It's giant. Freaking giant. Yeah, guys. It's got a toad. Big old cat. Yes, indeedy. Oh, yeah, it paid off throwing that big boy out there, didn't it? Yes, it did. Yes, it did, boys and girls. Look at the size of this cat. Get there and get him before he knocks my damn bait off. Oh, I want to save that crappie head. Yeah. The size of that kitty cat, guys. Yes, sir, Bob. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Big old kitty. Yes, right off the bat, too. I was wondering where all the kitties were. Barely whisker hooked, guys. Look at that. Barely whisker hooked. Got even the side of the whisker. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, it's a nice kitty cat, guys. Nice kitty. Nice kitty on the crappie head. Alright. Alright, guys. Got a nice old kitty cat here. Big old Channy just showed up to eat the old crappie head. Yeah, you like him a crappie head. I barely whiskered him. He's a nice one though, guys. I can't even get my hand around his head. Pick him up, show you. Here. Barely got him. Yeah, he's a fat one. Nice fat kitty cat. Just moved spots. Moved down below this little rock riffle here. Yeah, it's paying off, guys. 3 strappers and big old kitty cat so far. Yep. Stay tuned for a video coming up, guys. If I ripped my rod in the water, it was a good little fish. Snagged all of it. Yeah. Get back after him, guys, on hog sensing. Alright, guys. Oh, show you my kitty cat here, guys. Yeah, that's a nice one. He probably pushing 4 pound or so. 4 pounder or so. Yeah. Nice river kitty. Alright, buddy. We're gonna turn you loose. Turn you loose, set you free. Yeah. You go down and tell your parents to come bite. Come eat. Donnie's here to feed them. Yeah, bluegills. And I got crappies. I got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah, guys, he slammed a crappie head. Yes, he did. Let's rehook this thing. Hook it through the other side of the nose. If I can. Come on now. There we go. Bet. Alright, guys, so we get another one on the same bait. That was awesome sauce. I wasn't expecting a big old kitty cat like that. Yeah, I'll take it. I will take a big old kitty cat like that all day long. Yes, sirree. I reeled it in a little bit. Had about right out there, guys. Right off that current seam a little bit. Yeah, see if another one's out there wants to eat. Hopefully there is. Hopefully there's a whole school of them. I'll feed them all day long. I have plenty of bait. Yes, sirree. One thing we're not short on today, guys, is bait. Not short on bait. Alright. I'll reel this thing back in. That was sweet. That was sweet, guys. I was wondering something was going to take off with that, and it did. To my surprise, it did. Big old channel kitty. Almost makes me want to take that body chunk off that bluegill rod and throw a bluegill head on there. Toss it out right here in the swift water right in front of me. Come on, fishies, where you at? Come out and play. Come out and play. Alright, get the big whale out, throw it a little bit. A nice kitty cat. That's a nice little surprise. it was. It was a pleasant little surprise. Kitty cat came out to play. Ooh, is that another bite on the old crappie head? Alright. Try the 4-inch swimmer. I ain't gonna swap out this bait though. I'm gonna put a bluegill head on here. Take that body chunk off. I'll throw some fresh cut bluegill head on here, guys. Fresh cut bluegill head. Catch very many of them, but I do have a few. Oh yeah, guys, oh yeah. Mr. Kitty Cat came through and made my day. That was nice. It's always nice to catch big old kitty. I welcome them guys all day long. Yep, ain't nothing like a big old kitty. Make you smile, get your spirits all up. Yep, that's what we like to do, guys. That's what we like to do, catch the kitties. Kitties, stripies, anything that fights hard, I like catching, guys. Anything gets a good old tug on line and fights hard. It's all good in my book. All good in my book. Alright. Caught me a big old catfishy. Made me very happy. Very happy indeed. Yes. I was trying to hunt some other fishies. See what's living in this pool. If anything else is in here. Or if it was just that one catfish dong. Hard trouble believing he's the only one living in here. That way up on the other side of that log. Almost in striper territory up there. Shaw. Come on, Stripey, where you at? I don't think there'd be some in here. Deep hole. That's current flow. Not raging current, but A nice little current flow there. Oh yeah. Give a spot a few more minutes, guys, and I'll move one more last time. I'm gonna go hit this spot over here and see if the stripies are back up in there again before I leave. I'll give them a little bit before I head back over there, but oh. Used to know that spot over here I can come and sit and catch me a big old catfish. But yeah, I'm gonna go over here and hit this little point one more time, guys, and then I'm out of here. Go home and eat some supper. Girlfriend's got some walking tacos waiting on me, so yeah. Anybody knows me knows I like my tacos. Especially fish tacos. Those are the best. Little striper tacos or some catfish tacos. Yeah. Yes, sirree, Bob, guys. Yes, sirree, Bob. Where that goes, this goes down in here. Damn, sun's in my eyes so bad. Or else need to see something different. I don't know. Don't know, guys. Don't know what to do. I am hungry, I know that. What else we got in here? See, catfish and stuff, and 6 cents on my hardware. Got a couple. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I think call it a day, guys. Head my butt back to the house, get some dinner and all that and this and that. But yeah, guys, you know the drill. If you like the content, guys, hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. And I'm out, guys. See ya later.